मैं मेरा जब पिघल जाता है फिर शिव ही रह जाता है और कुछ नहीं. When me and mine dissolves, what remains is Shiva. This me, mine makes our mind in a limited sphere. But it's okay in activity. In meditation, you should let go. Then that me, mine, when it dissolves, you become aware of the infinite energy. That's so beautiful. That's all over, everywhere. That's why Shiva, Satyam Shivam Sundar. Shiva is that energy, the beauty, and the truth. That's only truth.